Hello children, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Today we are going to discuss a interesting topic. So on the screen the world map is visible to you. In the world map different continents are there. From this continent one continent peoples rule to us and industrial revolution also started from that continent. Can you name that continent? That continent is the Europe. So today we are going to discuss about the Europe. Before we are going to discuss about the Europe, let us discuss once the learning objectives. In this chapter we are going to discuss the location of Europe and different landforms in Europe and what are the water bodies are help for Europe development and climate of Europe. In that climate of Europe different seasons and how the Atlantic Ocean influence the Europe climate and seasons in Europe, land and agriculture, and European countries are discovered sea route to different other countries. So that discovery of sea routes also we are going to discuss in this chapter. So first we are going to discuss about the location of Europe. So in this map once you observe this one is the Europe. On this Europe four sides means in east, west, north, south, different mountains, oceans and seas are visible here. So now you can tell me what is the east boundary of Europe? What shown here? Ural mountain or the east boundary of Europe. What is the north boundary of Europe? What shown here? Arctic Ocean is the north boundary of Europe. What is the west boundary of Europe? What shown here? Atlantic Ocean. This Atlantic Ocean is the west side boundary of Europe. And also here shown a sea. Can you guess the name of sea? That sea name is the Mediterranean Sea. So the south boundary of Europe is the Mediterranean Sea. Okay children, the east boundary of Europe is Ural Mountains, west boundary of Europe is Atlantic Ocean, south boundary of Europe is Mediterranean Sea and north boundary of Europe is Arctic Ocean. Let us discuss a detail about these boundaries. First discuss about the north boundary of Europe. In the north of Europe there is a ocean. That ocean is almost frozen most of the years. Can you name that ocean? Good, that is the Arctic Ocean. Let us discuss about west boundary of Europe. This west boundary of Europe is Atlantic Ocean. This Atlantic Ocean separates the continents Europe and North America. 500 years ago these European people they discovered sea route to America and millions of Europeans migrate to the continent America and they settled down in America. Let us discuss south boundary of Europe. The south boundary of Europe is that Mediterranean Sea. So this Mediterranean Sea separates Europe and Africa. So this sea locate north of Africa, south of Europe. Mediterranean Sea means middle of the world. Do you know why it is called by this name? Because of this Mediterranean Sea is in the between of Europe and Africa and also Asia, west of Asia. In ancient times The people of Europe, they did not know about other continents like America and or Australia. So they only knew about Europe, western part of Asia, and north and parts of Africa. So that's why this Mediterranean Sea situated in middle of this continent, Europe, Asia, and Africa, means north of Africa, west of Asia, south of Europe. So these Europeans thought this sea situated in middle of the world. That's why this name called Mediterranean Sea. Ever since, let us discuss the east boundary of Europe. The east boundary of Europe is the Ural Mountains. Ural Mountains are not very high. Asia is on the east of these mountains, while Europe is west of these mountains. Asia and Europe are one continuous landmass. That's why this landmass also called the Eurasia. That's why Asia and Europe share the Russia. The half of the Russia is located in Europe and half of the Russia is located in the Asia. That's why the Russia also called the Eurasia. Okay children, this is the boundaries and location of the Europe. Okay, thank you very much.